Why I love using a 50-50 lye solution. It's consistent, it's accurate, it's safer, and always there available for me to use it for whatever formula I want. The way that it is safer is because my team members are not going to have to make it. It's already there on tap, and we have outsourced it from a company that is going to make sure it's precise, it is accurate, and I'm never going to have to worry that it's not what I'm supposed to put in my soap, because I have the SOP for it. I have the safety data sheet. I know exactly what is in that product and who I'm sourcing it from. If you want to purchase a 50-50 lye solution and not have to make it yourself, I partnered with Makesy. Go to makesy.com. You can also purchase pre-made oil blends like our Trinity blend, which is the perfect blend of coconut, olive, palm oil, responsibly sourced, of course.